Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the ultimate roast chicken for those upcoming entertaining dinner parties. I'm going to teach you how to truss a chicken, make gravy from scratch, the ultimate stuffing, perfect smashed roast potatoes, and a delicious green bean side dish. So we're going to start with boiling our baby potatoes. I've got salted boiling water. I want to cook my potatoes for about 15 to 20 minutes. They're nice, soft and tender. We're going to remove that, place it on our baking dish, and we're going to smash them. We want to burst open that skin and see that exposed potato flesh. Top it with salt, pepper, olive oil, lots of butter, fresh herbs, and we're going to roast it in the oven till it's golden brown and deliciously crispy. The ultimate roast chicken is crispy and golden on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside. And the best way to achieve that is to truss your chicken. And I'm going to teach you how to do that. I'm going to start by adding a little bit of aromatics into my chicken. Take a lemon. I'm going to cut that in quarters. I'm going to add this into my chicken with some herbs. I've got thyme, I've got sage, a little bit of parsley. Put that there. Now I'm going to take my string. You want a longer piece of string, rather longer than too short. Put this under your chicken. Now I love Curtis Stone's method. As he says, he wants a crispy chicken wing, so we're not going to tuck in our chicken wings. We're going to leave those exposed. We're going to let us go under. We're going to go under the breastbone, cross it like this, and then we're going to go under the legs. We're going to bring those close together. Cross the legs like a lady. Bring that together. If you want to, you can do a twist and a twist. And the idea is to now make it a nice bow. Now you've got extra exposed skin here, and that's going to make sure you get a really crispy golden brown chicken. So in my baking tray, I've got carrots, celery, and onions, a basic mirepoix, which is going to be the basis for our gravy, and also create a little bit of a base for our chicken, so it's not sitting in that baking tray, so it gets extra exposure in the oven. I'm going to cover it with some olive oil. And salt and pepper. And there you have it. I'm going to put that in the oven at 180 to 200 degrees for about an hour. I love chicken stuffing, and I'm tired of only having enough chicken stuffing that I can stuff in a chicken. I want a large bowl, and I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect stuffing. It's quick and easy. What I'm going to do is butter my dish and set that aside. In a pan, I'm going to fry bacon. I'm going to add celery, onions, garlic, fresh herbs, some white wine, chicken stock, beautifully cubed rye bread. I've got some stale chia butter. You can use whatever you have at home. And then I'm going to add lots of butter, a beaten egg. I'm going to bake that until it's golden brown and absolutely delicious. My delicious green bean side is basically a warm salad that my mom created when I was in high school. It was a trick she used to get us to eat our green beans. Basically, you have blanched green beans. We're going to fry off some red onions and some butter. We're going to add our green beans. We're going to add lemon juice, salt, black pepper, and we're going to top that with toasted almonds and some pomegranates. The pomegranates have this beautiful burst of juicy flavor. Our green beans are light and crispy. Our almonds have that extra crunch, and it is just delicious. I promise you'll love it. How crispy and delicious do these look? I wish I could give you a little taste. They are perfect, exactly how I want them. I'm going to top them with a little bit of molten salt, and they are perfect just as they are. How beautiful does my chicken look? I'm going to remove my string. It's simple and easy, just cut that little knot away. Oh, how I wish you could. Actually, I don't know if you can. Yeah, how crispy that skin is. There we go. Move it up. So my chicken is ready, and I'm allowed to rest, but I don't want to lose any of the heat. So I'm going to cover it in some foil, and I'm going to let it rest. Little blanket. Put that to the side. How good does my stuffing look? So making gravy from scratch is actually super simple. We're going to take our pan juices, add some chicken stock, and bring our mixture to a boil. I've removed most of my carrots and onion as I don't want that in my gravy. Next, to thicken that up, we're going to add some flour. Nobody wants runny gravy. Don't worry about the lumps. We're going to strain it. That's my top tip for the perfect gravy. Strain, strain, strain. Look how nicely this is thickened up. This is liquid gold. This is what's going to make your roast chicken stand out. We're now going to strain our gravy, put that in our gravy boat, and serve lunch. And there you have it, dinner is served. For this recipe and more, go visit the Asheville Chicken website. Have an incredible summer holiday, keep entertaining, happy cooking, and be safe.